Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside the Angel One app, signed in and on the instrument you care about. Tap the bell or alert option. This opens the alert form. Once open, you select the type, price, percentage, or volume. This matters because it changes which fields you fill. Enter the trigger value and pick whether it's a one-time or recurring alert, then choose notification method. Make sure to use precise numbers. It avoids false triggers and keeps your market actions clean. Once done with the basic trigger, you configure details that control delivery and lifespan. Pick expiry date and recurrence, daily, market days only, or one time, because this prevents stale alerts. Next, select notification channels, app push, SMS, or email. Confirm your phone number or email on file so messages arrive. You can add a note or tag for context. This helps when you review multiple alerts. Finally, preview settings, so threshold. You save and activate the alert, and it should appear in your active alerts list. Confirm status is enabled. If possible, test using a nearby sample value or paper simulation to confirm delivery without risking capital. Make sure the app has notification permissions, background data is enabled, and your phone number or email is correct. If an alert still fails, toggle it off and on or recreate it. This resolves most sync glitches. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Permission issues are the top cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.